Rooftop mechanical equipment needs clearances, so service access and airflow are reliable and safe. For typical residential rooftop units, we advise maintaining 3 to 6 feet of clear service space around each unit as a starting thumb rule, while always checking manufacturer specifications, which may require more. Place firm roof walkway pads leading from a safe access point to each unit to prevent membrane damage and to provide a stable standing area for technicians. When a roof edge is near work areas, provide guardrails or other fall protection where local code requires them and where technicians must work within 6 feet of an unprotected edge. Use curb extensions and raised curbs when ducts or piping pass through the roof to prevent water entry and to keep service clearances above the roof plane. Route condensate and drain lines with positive slope and protect them with crash rails or bollards where foot traffic and service carts can strike them. Keep clearances free of storage, snow accumulation paths, and rooftop plantings so airflow to unit intakes is not obstructed and technicians can approach all sides without tripping hazards. Common mistakes are crowding multiple units too close together, which ruins airflow and makes simultaneous service impossible, so space them per the 3 to 6 foot guide or wider if manufacturer data calls for it. Another frequent issue is failing to provide stable walkways, which leads to roof membrane damage and unsafe footing for technicians, so install non-penetrating pads or secured walkboards placed to reach all service panels. A third concern is neglecting through-roof details for ducts and pipes, which causes water intrusion and limits clearance, so add proper curbs, flashing, and maintain service clearance above curb height. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work in their service areas. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors can ask questions and share real-world solutions about rooftop equipment clearances and other home projects.